And show you I'm your host, Moro, guys. This is my black diamond hands training. Man, these guys are so good. Let me tell you something. Look how high they are. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. Hey, these guys are so good, man. The only thing, they're molting. I did a toss the other day from 12.7 miles, but I'm gonna wait until November, man, because they have a molt like you won't believe, man. But I'm gonna let them low fly every day. Where'd they go? I'm gonna try it again. There they go. Yeah, I gotta zoom in because they're high. They're high. These are my hands. Let me tell you something. I have a guy, my friend named Jeff. He already releasing the cocks. The youngsters that I gave him from 70 miles. He did 70 miles yesterday. My white ones and my black diamonds, they're his now. And man, they're doing great. They're doing great. My black diamond came back so fast from 70 miles. You know, so when November, why, you looking for the hawk? Where's the hawk? Where's the hawk, boy? Yeah, look for the hawk, boy. Yeah, watch him. Bark! Bark! Tiger, bark! Good boy. Good boy. Where's the hawk? Where's the hawk, boy? Anyway, guys, hey, in November, I'm going to start releasing them from far, man. Before I put them to breed, you know, I gotta make sure that what I'm breeding is good. And I know it's good because Jeff is already releasing them. Even my whites, they're coming back from like 70 miles. Next gonna be 100 and some miles, and they're raising in September. They're raising in September. Look at these guys. Look at these girls. They're gone, man. They're gone. Oh, there they go. There they go. There they go. They're not gone. There they go. You remember, they're molting. But man, when I let them go from far, oh my gosh, they do good. No, they left again. Anyway, I just want to do this little like 2-3 minute videos. Let me release my whites now, man. Let me release these guys. I got to clean inside there today anyway. Look, you see that? See that powder right there? Oh my gosh. That thing flies just like a homer, man. Just like a homer. Let's see. They're going to know that. Yeah. They're going to know that it's open. It's open. Let's fly. See, that's my powder mixer. I got was the first one out. That's a Sion. That's a Sion bird right there. That's a Sion bird right there. She's with eggs, fake eggs. And she's molting. Yeah, that bird came from long ways from me, man. I mean, you know, for me, long ways, I only do like 38 miles, 50 miles, that's it, you know. So she came back from 38 miles. But that's a long distance bird. That's a long distance bird right there. Let me open this. Good. Man, I just realized the other day, bro. Oh my gosh, these guys that race. Can you imagine that? With all the work that I have, man, getting up early in the morning, 6, driving 70 miles, 80 miles, 100 miles, releasing the birds, nah. And I'm very competitive. I'm a competitive guy, man. You know, I've been teaching martial arts for years, boxing, kickboxing, and I know what it takes. So for me to do this, nah, I'll be doing this 3 days a week. Getting up at 6, no. I'd rather just give the birds, by the way, they buy it from me, to my friends, and they'll go out there, look, they fly. Look at that powder. They know, they're coming out. They're coming out. There you go. It's a beautiful day today for flying. Look at this. I mean, I don't know. I never flew before. But it's a beautiful day for flying. Look at this. I give praise to the Most High. So, hallelujah. Look at this. Oh, look, that's my powder. Look at that bird, man. Nah, let me go release. Let me go release my powder, man. My other one that's there. Let me push everybody out. Give me a minute here. I gotta put my mask on. Give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Gotta put my mask on. Yeah, look at the blue sky, man. Ah, here we go. Here we go. Kicking everybody out. Oh. Everybody out. Everybody out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Go. That's my powder girl there. Oh, the other one went out too. Come on. Come on. This is my tippler mixed with the Homer and mixed with the Spanish powder. Really good bird. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You gotta go fly. You got to go fly. Hey, don't let me grab you, man. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. Go. All right. Now, whoever comes in, they want to come in, let them come in. Let me see what I got here. Oh, her. Hey, mommy. She's killed the hawk. That's my Spanish powder. She's killed the hawk. She don't want to go out. She don't have to go out. Oh, come here. You are going out. Oh, come on. That's my other Spanish powder. Let me see. That's the one that came from 6 miles. Go. And, oh, I got the other one here. This is the sister. This is the sister. Get out of here. Get out of here. All right, good. And you're back in there? Okay, mommy. You don't want to go out, don't go out. I'm okay with that bird not going out. Because I want to breed her. All right, you guys got to go. Yeah, everybody left. Come on. Come on. Now, if they want to come back later, look at that Spanish powder right there. She's flying so good. That's what the people that say, oh, Spanish powder, they don't fly. Don't fly. What? Look. They do the same thing the homers do. The homers take them far. They go and they come back with them. What was that? Ah, it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. Look at these guys. Look. Look at these guys. And they're not tipplers. Look how high they are. I don't know, for some reason, when my whites, they fly so high. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get that black diamond baby that I got there. I'm gonna let him go with this guy. See this guy right here? Come on, you gotta fly with him. Let me hold my breath. Whoa, she fell down. Come on. All right, let me see if I can catch her. There you go. Go. That's what I want you to do. I want you to go. Where you go? She's flying. That's my other black diamond. She's a baby. She got something in her nose. Who are you? Of course, you want to come down for the eggs. That's okay. Now, if they want to go in now, that's okay. Because they with fake eggs. But I wanted them to fly. These guys, nah, you ain't going nowhere. Go ahead. You want to go in, go in. Yeah, she's one. Go to the eggs. Look, see those two? Those are the two powders. Right there. Ooh, I want to fly these guys. See, that one is with eggs. Fake eggs. And the other black one is with fake eggs. So that's why I want to go in. They're coming down now. Let's see, they go down. Then they go out. They go down. They see a squirrel making any noises or anything. They go out again. They see a hawk. They go out. They see a crow. They go out. So, you know, look at these guys. They love to go on that tree there. Boy, the only thing I care is that when I let them go from far away, they come back. Tiger, stop chasing lizards. Leave the lizard alone. Leave the lizard alone, boy. Alright, I guess they're gonna go on the tree. They want to. They didn't. Yeah. Man, they're molting like crazy. I have feathers there like you won't believe, but I just cleaned everything. Now I gotta go and clean the boxes on the girls' coop. Yeah. Guys, let me talk to you for a minute. Let me cover myself because I don't have a shirt on. And I don't like, I did a video without my shirt on. I don't like to show my muscles. I'll be back. Anyway, man, I just came from riding 7 miles. I left at 8:25, came back at 9:15. 7 miles on my mountain bike. And the grass, yeah, it's hard. The grass and only a little grass. I did more pavement than anything. But it's a mountain bike. Anyway, hey. Yeah, man, that was a good workout. You guys, we gotta work out. I put my belt on. This is a country, ain't nobody looking at me. I put my belt on. You know why? Because it's so hard. I just got promoted, I don't know, about 2-3 months ago, maybe more, to 7th degree black belt. And Master Larry Pease, he gave me this belt. Larry Pease he's maybe the first black belt in the state of Florida. What was that? That's the black diamonds. Look, they're coming straight to the coop. Look. Straight to the coop. You see that? Straight to the coop. Anyway. So, well, all right. Yeah, anyway, so he gave me his belt, and his belt is so hard, and I put it on, it sticks out, so I got to work out. I did some katas, weapon katas after I worked out, after I rode bike. Anyway, guys, listen. This guy, Jeff, he's raising my birds. So I'm very happy about that. So in September, we're going to have the first race. It's a youngster race. This other guy is starting to train his birds in November. He's raising my birds long distance. So he does 600 miles. And I think the race is in February, I believe. And he's got 2 black diamonds of mine. Man, I wish I would have get him a white one, but I'm gonna give him some white ones for him to race because he does long distance. Okay. All right, man. So hey, hope you like this video. You guys came back. Hope you like this video. You all enjoy your pigeons. Take care of your pigeons. I'm gonna do a Spanish video about Spanish powders, but it's got to be in Spanish because there's a lot of new Spanish powder guys that have no idea what the heck they're talking about, and they changed the sport completely. I look at the videos from Spain back from the 1970s. They don't talk the same language. But with the homing pigeon, it's just about the same language. But with the Spanish powders, these guys, man, messed up the sport. Big time. Anyway, there's no ethics. Anyway, look, you guys enjoy your birds. Take care of your birds, man. Have a blessed day.